Rico, and today I'm going to show you how I needle felt a little play pad for your felted animals. Okay, so to make your little play pad so your mouse or your other little animals have something to play with or somewhere to be while you're busy, I love to make just these cute little things. So this is only like 0.14 ounces or about 4 grams. So it's really little bit of fiber. And so you're gonna want a little bit of green, and it can be anything. This one's actually Surrey alpaca because I have alpacas. But you can use any kind of wool, and you can just use any of these like wool bats, and dye it with Kool-Aid and make it green. So that's another great way. And then to make my little grass or leaves and flowers, I have some green locks and some purpley colored locks. So you can just take a white lock, you can use lamb locks, these are Surrey alpaca locks, any locks, and you can just dye a little bit in all sorts of different colors. I'll make a tutorial on that so you have a quick, easy way to do all that too. Okay, so all you have to do is just form it into the shape you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, let's make it maybe like that. I just folded it in half, and then on this side I'll just fold that over, and then I'm just going to start poking. That's really it. So poking like this, okay. And then I'm going to fold it here a little bit. So really just any shape you want, and if you wanted to create like a little pond for your duck or anything that swims like a fish, you can use blue. Yeah, but any color really. And it doesn't have to be a perfect shape, it can be any shape really. And you can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. So this is a quick way to needle felt it, but you can also wet felt these too. You just have to wait till it dries. So sometimes, you know, you want to needle felt it for quickness. Okay, so you do this for as long as you want until it's kind of coming together. Okay, so, and then you can always rub it a little too to make it fast. And then you can always shape it by using your fingers like this. Okay, so this feels a little loose to me still, so I'm gonna go ahead and poke it a little bit more. Okay. There, let's see. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of these little purple locks, and to make it like a little flower, I'm just going to poke it and sort of shape it as I poke it. So I'm gonna, let's see, is that gonna do it? Yeah. Again, no real right or wrong way to do it. Okay. So there's one, and then maybe I'm gonna have another one over here. Oh, that one kind of just naturally came together better. Okay, so all I'm doing is just poking it like that, and then I kind of like to add a little green so it looks like a vine or something. So yeah, so you can just do whatever you like. You can put it all the way around, or you can just put it right by the flowers. Whatever you like. And just make sure you take this off every once in a while so it doesn't get stuck. Okay, so you can design it however you like and use whatever colors you enjoy, and then your little felted animals will have a fun place to play on. Thanks for watching. Bye.